Hello, this is Travel Destination. I'm Doug. Is there anything I can do to help you?
Hello there. I'd like some details on tours in Scotland. To start, do you have a brochure and are you able to send me a copy?
Sure, what's your name?
Kieran Peters,
Thanks a lot. And your address?
16 Launceston Road.
Could you spell that for me?
Sure, lots of people find it tricky. It's Launceston Road.
And what's your postcode?
G745AE.
Thanks. Do you have a phone number?
I don't have a landline. Would you like my mobile?
Sure.
It's 015-5525-3417.
Thank you. Where did you hear about our company? Did someone recommend us, or did you see our newspaper advert?
No, actually, I found your website.
Great. Many people find us here. I'll send some material in the post. But for now, tell me a little bit about the type of tours you'd be interested in.
I'd really like to do a driving tour of the Scottish Highlands with my family. There will be myself, my partner, and our child. We'd like to hire a car.
Okay. We have two self-drive tours, which stop at various points around the Highlands. The tour number one begins in Glasgow, which some people say is the cultural capital of Scotland. Day one offers time to go to some of the museums.
My young son would love to do that.
Fantastic. Then you drive to Fort William. From there, you head to the Highlands. We normally recommend 2 nights there, and you can decide if you want to stay on a campsite or in a hotel.
I don't like the idea of staying outdoors. I like my luxuries, so I'd prefer a nice warm bed.
That's fine. And the trip finishes in Edinburgh with plenty of history.
Wonderful. And tour 2?
The second tour is a little different. This one begins in Edinburgh and follows the opposite route.
A friend told me there's an amazing castle in Edinburgh. Is that right?
That's correct. Edinburgh Castle is right in the heart of the city.
Fantastic. Sounds like a great start. Does this trip involve any very long drives?
No, the maximum drive is about 3 hours. Some people like to drive longer to see Loch Ness. Are you interested in that?
Thanks, but no thanks. I'm not a fan of myths and legends.
Right. So in that case, you can drive straight to the Highlands.
At this time of year, will there be any snow? I'm keen to do some skiing.
Yes, between November and February, the Highlands are great for beginner to intermediate skiers.
Fantastic. I really want to teach my son to snowboard. So how much does this cost, and how long do the tours last?
Our Tour 1 is a 4-day mini tour and covers 345 kilometers. You can do a shorter journey, which is 206 kilometers, but you miss many things. I don't recommend that one. The cost is £315 per person. Accommodation is included, as is car rental and a flight from London. But unfortunately, food isn't part of the price.
What about the second tour?
That lasts 5 days with only 2 days on the road. You cover about 310 kilometers on that route. A little shorter, but perfect for families with younger children.
Does that mean it's cheaper than Tour 1?
Yes, if I remember, this one is £270. No, sorry, I just looked. It's actually £275 per person.
If that covers hotels and car hire, what about airfare?
That isn't included. However, the hotels provide a great quality breakfast as part of the price.
I really appreciate that. When the brochure arrives, I'll take a look and get back to you. I'll be in touch. Thanks.
My pleasure. Goodbye.